3, 2, 1.
What color are wild goldfish? The answer is C, green. Which vegetable is often green, long, and curved? The answer is A, zucchini. I'm a bright computer. I'm always visiting Earth. What am I? The answer is B, star. I am light as a feather, but what you hold is heavier than air. What am I? The answer is A, air. What is the name of the fictitious blue diamond which was featured prominently in James Cameron's movie Titanic? The answer is C, the heart of the ocean. Data in tables may also be presented in graphs. Which type of data would best be displayed on a circle graph? The answer is D, the percent of various materials in solid waste. I'm everywhere at once, and I fill everything. What am I? The answer is A, air. Which type of backpack does the character Luke Skywalker carry in Star Wars? The answer is A, rucksack. What is the first widely used search engine on the World Wide Web? The answer is A, Google. What organic catalysts work by lowering the activation energy needed to start biochemical reactions? The answer is C, enzymes. What is the name of a microorganism that is considered important for living resources in all ecosystems? The answer is C, bacteria. What potion is used to help treat colds in the Harry Potter books? The answer is C, pepper-up potion. I have a face and 24 moves. What am I? The answer is B, a marionette. Through me you talk, but don't speak. You listen, but I can't hear a sound. What am I? The answer is A, telephone. R2-D2 and C3PO are part of what saga? The answer is D, Star Wars. The Ashes is associated with which sport? The answer is A, cricket. How are the stem of a tree and the stem of a flower most similar? The answer is C, both support the plant. Who voiced Roger Rabbit in the 1988 movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit? The answer is C, Charles Fleischer. What were Mark Twain's favorite animals? The answer is B, cats. Which phase of the moon occurs after a waxing gibbous? The answer is C, full moon. What is the usual color of the gooseberry fruit? The answer is C, green. I can make you shiver without touching you. What am I? The answer is C, fear. The root vegetable that is often pickled and served as a condiment is named after which city? The answer is A, London. What type of dating determines which of two fossils is older or younger than the other, but not their age in years? The answer is B, relative. From which country does the dish paella originate? The answer is B, Spain. What was used as a painkiller before aspirin? The answer is A, morphine. In the lungs, bicarbonate is transported back into the red blood cells in exchange for what? The answer is B, chloride. Prokaryotic cells have a cell wall located outside of the? The answer is C, plasma membrane. Which Italian artist made the sculpture Neptune and Triton, displayed in the Victoria and Albert Museum in London? The answer is D, Gian Lorenzo Bernini. Which instrument's soundbox is shaped like a large cylinder and is played by strumming with fingers? The answer is A, guitar. What do you have the most time to paint a nature scene outside? The answer is B, summer. What are surrounded by a cell wall consisting of peptidoglycan? The answer is C, bacteria. The Autobahn is the longest highway network without speed limits. Where is it located? The answer is D, Germany. Who is trying to eliminate Duchess in the Aristocats? The answer is B, the butler did it. Which artist was known for his surrealist paintings? The answer is C, Rene Magritte. I'm small, yet can hold a world of data. What am I? The answer is A, hard drive. Which kitchen item is used to measure ingredients? The answer is B, measuring cups. Which mountain range has the world's highest peak, Mount Everest? The answer is A, Himalayas. Who was the last Soviet leader before the dissolution of the USSR? The answer is C. Mikhail Gorbachev. Which country has the largest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? The answer is C. France. I burn bright in the night sky, but I'm not a star. What am I?
The answer is A. Meteor.
Chloroplasts, leucoplasts, and chromoplasts are found in what type of cells? The answer is A. Plant cells. The capital city of Japan is? The answer is C. Nagoya. What is X in 24 hours? The answer is A. Hours. On the TV show Supernatural, when Sam and Dean were growing up, their father John Winchester trained them to be what? The answer is B. Hunters. Which process involves choosing certain organisms to reproduce with one another in order to pass on specific, desirable traits to their offspring? The answer is A. Selective breeding. What is the middle name of the Scottish author Robert Stevenson, the author of Treasure Island? The answer is A. Louis. What are the main colors of turtle doves? The answer is B. Brown and gray. What produces sound waves that travel outward in all directions in water? The answer is B. Echo sounders. In 2001, John Lithgow added his voice to The Wonderful Shrek. What character did he voice?